Kuala Gandah Elephant Sanctuary, located near the Kra Wildlife Reserve, is the only elephant sanctuary program implemented and managed by the Malaysian Wildlife Society to relocate these semi-wild elephants. The elephant here have been rescued from all over Peninsular Malaysia, where it's been estimated that there are only 1,200 wild Asian elephants left. About 500 wild elephants have been located since the project started 30 years ago, but they will be later moved to a suitable location, namely the national parks. Visitors are encouraged to spend a day to mingle with these gentle giants, feed them with large quantities of fresh fruit, and frolic with them in the nearby shallow river as they enjoy a muddy splash. Children and adults take turns to have an exciting and unforgettable experience climbing on an elephant's back, as these gentle giants are led down a ramp into the river. Then the elephants, along with its passengers, will take a splashing dip. The Elephant Sanctuary is a popular destination for both local and foreign visitors to observe and participate in activities. The center is open from 2 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and it's free. However, visitors can make a donation towards the benefit of the elephant at the exhibition center. Visitors Information Center provides information and video presentation on the center's efforts. Visitors could also find some small cafes which sell some rather nice souvenir t-shirts. Kuala Gandah offers a 30-minute documentary on the wildlife experience activities and programs that carry out by the team.
Pusat ni ditubuhkan pada tahun 1989. Dia punya objektif atau fungsi perubahan di sini, yang pertamanya untuk mengendalikan operasi okey tangkap pindah gajah, yang mana kita mengendalikan konflik gajah dan manusia yang timbul pada masa tersebut. Fungsi yang kedua adalah merupakan tempat bagi kita menjaga anak-anak gajah yang ditinggalkan oleh kumpulan, ataupun dengan kata lain pada gajah yatim lah, dan juga gajah-gajah yang tercedera disebabkan oleh sama ada oleh pemburu haram ataupun yang disebabkan oleh serangan binatang-binatang lain lah. Kemudian fungsi kita yang ketiga adalah sebagai pusat kesedaran awam dan juga ikut pelancongan. Pusat ni mula dibuka kepada orang ramai pada tahun 2000. Pada tahun lepas, tahun 2009, kita telah menerima kunjungan sebanyak 158,000 pengunjung.
There is also settlement of Orang Asli and Deer Land 5 minutes away from the sanctuary for those who still want to spend more time with other animals. The Deer Land provides activities such as deer feeding, a surprise show from a monkey, and a snake photo session. There is no better way to spend one day of a weekend spending some time with these lovely creatures. So the next time you plan for a nature excursion with friends or family, remember, Kuala Gandah might be the place for you. Till next time!